Guys, may pinakilalang bagong smartphone si Oppo sa India. At ito ang Oppo F25 Pro 5G. Kung gusto nyo malaman ng price nito, make sure lang guys na tapusin nyo ang buong video. Tara, pag-usapan muna natin ang specs and features ng phone na to. Meron itong 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 1080 by 2412 pixel resolution. May up to 120Hz refresh rate at may up to 240Hz touch sampling rate with HDR10+ and 1100 nits peak of brightness. At meron siyang Panda Glass screen protection. Ang Oppo F25 Pro 5G ay may operating system na ColorOS 14 based on Android 14 with MediaTek Dimensity 7050 6nm chipset at may Mali G68 MC4 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 8GB of RAM with 128 or 256GB UFS 3.1 internal storage, expandable up to 2TB via microSD. Ang Oppo F25 Pro 5G ay may triple rear camera setup with 64MP main camera plus 8MP ultra-wide camera plus 2MP macro camera with LED flash, HDR and panorama at may up to 4K at 30fps video recording. At meron siyang 32MP selfie camera with up to 4K at 30fps video recording. Sa kanya naman battery, meron siyang 5000 mAh battery capacity with 67W super bulk fast charging. Meron siyang under-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock at ito ay may loudspeaker. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 16.16 by 7.47 by 0.75 cm at may timbang na 177 grams with IP65 dust and water resistance at ito ay may dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QZSS, OTG, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa kanyang price. Ang estimated price ng Oppo F25 Pro 5G ay around 16,200 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakali magiging available ito sa Philippines. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Oppo F25 Pro 5G? Please comment down below. Hanggang dito na lang ang video na to. Guys, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo palagi sa bago kong upload. Maraming salamat!